this week's video, we attempt Gordon Ramsay's oven-baked fried chicken sandwiches based on California recipes. I gotta say, this is a really good recipe to try at home. Stay tuned for that. But also we do our maxes on 2 movements in our 90-day weight loss impossible journey. We got the Sally squats, and then we also have the impossible pull-up challenge. So stay tuned.
You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh, I've been on the flex since flex zone. Neighborhood all in your eardrums. I ain't never scared like Bone Crush. Boy, I got God, don't fear none. My line busy, take no calls. Feels like I don't have no flaws. Snakes in the grass, cut those off. Yo, squad shady, my bros raw. No breaks, we go, 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 go. Throw shade, that's a no, no, no. Go high, go low, low, low. Like spinning in a 644. Cash money like 504. Ball like AD24. No sleep, need more, more, more. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh, I'm a real one, my day ones. Try speak up, can't say none. Try dig dirt, there ain't none. I make the money that save up. 10 to 80, my save ones. Take to the top on the base one. New car, race on. Fast lane, pace on. Where the booyah, that's a flex. Not human, I ain't from another planet. I'ma teleport, might vanish. I'ma wake up, do damage. Jordan number 7, he's bored though. Working all night, need more though. I remember nights I was poor though. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.
Okay, looks like I made it through the whole thing this time with some technical difficulties. Thank you to everybody supporting me through this journey. Not going to quit till I reach my goals. And remember, if I reach my 90-day goal of losing 30 pounds, I don't have to go face one of my biggest fears. What that is, you'll have to wait and see. Remember to drop a like, comment, and subscribe, and turn those post notifications on to stay notified when I go live, post a new video, go live, or anything else. Alrighty, here we go with our second max of the week. This is going to be the impossible pull-up, where we try to go as long as we can to go up, and then take as long as we can to go down. Last time I did about 2 seconds on the up. Oh no, 1 second on the up and 2 seconds on the down. Pull-ups and pull are not my strong suit, but I'm working on it. So let's see if we've improved on that, and here we go. In 3, 2, 1. 1, 2. All right. Well, there's about 2 seconds on the up and 8 on the down. It's improvement, so I'll take it. Form definitely could use some work, but as long as you're going forward with your goals and not staying stagnant or getting worse, I consider that progress. But make sure, if you haven't already, to drop a like, comment, and subscribe, and turn those post notifications on. If you have anything I can improve on, or anything else you want to see me attempt in these videos, please drop them down in the comments below. But that's going to be it for this clip, and I'll see you in the next one. Alrighty, here we go with some California fried chicken. Got the flour mix, the buttermilk mixture, and the puffed rice ready to go. So we're just going to dip the pieces of chicken in there, and then we'll shake off all the excess, and then we'll get it ready for the oven. Here we go.
Hi, let's go.
Alright, let's take a look at our weather forecast today.
Today's forecast, a lot of sunshine, blue skies, marine clouds.
Then we go to the buttermilk mixture, which has all the seasonings. The flour mixture has all the salt and pepper. The buttermilk mixture has all those seasonings right there. Then we're going to shake off the excess. Notice I use smoked paprika in mine. It's because I wanted a little kick of it in there. Not too much, but just a little. And then we're gonna put it in the and there we go. It'll look a little better once I get finished. We prepare the chicken in oven safe pan. Then we preheat the oven to 356 and put it in there for 25 to 30 minutes, depending on how thick your cut of chicken is or how accurate your oven is. I don't know the exact term for it. All right. I keep forgetting to film me tasting the food because it just tastes so darn good. But I highly recommend the recipe. It's just that you definitely taste all the different flavors in there. Definitely recommend using the buttermilk over the eggs in there or in the link to the recipe. Just easier to coat, it felt like. But thank you to everybody for watching, and we'll see you in the next clip. And this is also the mark of the 60 days in this 90-day journey. So we're 2/3 of the way there. So let's see where we're at. Alrighty. We are at 2:43. There we go. Insane. That means we've lost 12 pounds since we started. Very good. That means we've lost 12 pounds since we started, which is not exactly where I want to be because I want to have lost 30 pounds, but it's getting very close and we're working very hard towards our goals this week in these 90 days. So we'll get there soon. We're working on it. So stay tuned and see how the last 30 days end up.